Hi friend, how are you? Currently all over the world are suffering from the COVID-19. Common people and as well as the scientists are thinking how we can kill the coronavirus. Currently one social media post we are observing sunlight as well as the UV light can kill the coronavirus. Yes friend, in this video I will discuss what is UV light and how UV light can kill the microorganism and what are the applications of the UV light and sunlight and the UV light can really kill the coronavirus. Please watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel with hit the bell icon. First of all, I will discuss about what is UV light. UV light is a lower wavelength of the visible light. However, this UV light wavelength can invisible with human eye. The wavelength of the UV light in between 200 nanometer to 280 nanometer. Most of the natural UV light sources are the sun and only 10% UV light comes from the sunlight. Now I am discussing about the applications of the UV light. UV light has been used for treatment of the water from the 100 years ago. Scientist Niels Finsen was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 1903 for his study of phototherapy and how UV light kills the bacteria. Hospitals are also use UV light for sterilizations of the surgical equipment and also sterilizations of the air of operation theaters. In the pharmaceutical industries, UV light also used for the sterilizations of their pharmaceuticals or food products. In the pharmaceutical industry, UV light also used in the water system, both WFI and the purified, in the isolator, laminar airflow as well as the pass box to kill the microorganism. Now I am discussing how UV light can kill the microorganism. Generally, UV light kill the microorganism by damage the DNA. DNA consists of 4 bases: adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. And you know, adenine is the pair with the thymine and cytosine is the pair with the guanine, means AT and the GC. During the exposure in the UV light, the UV light attract to the thymine and form a thymine-thymine bond. Thymine-thymine bond is very stable bond, and one repair mechanism is available in the microorganism body. They can remove the thymine-thymine dimer bond pair and replace it with new nucleotides. But a long exposure in the UV light, the bacteria repair mechanism cannot repair the large number of thymine-thymine dimer bond. For during the replication of the microorganism, the polymerase enzyme cannot recognize the thymine-thymine dimer bond, and that time they pair with wrong base pair. Then mutations occurs, and after the mutation, wrong genetic sequence is replicated and form a wrong sequence DNA. After the transcription, is wrong protein is formed, and that this protein is harmful for the microorganism and death will occur. I think you understand how UV light kill the microorganism. Generally, UV light cause the mutation of the microorganism. Now I am discussing UV light or the sunlight can really kill the microorganism. Sunlight is often considered as a natural sterilizer because of the UV light. But scientists cannot identify how long time to require the UV light or sunlight to kill the microorganism and what are the strength required of UV light to kill the coronavirus. Because the concentration of the UV light and the strength of the UV light in the sunlight vary from time to time. It depends on the weather, season, daytime and mainly depends where you live in the world. So, no particular data is available how long time and how strength is required to kill the microorganism. Now I am discussing about the effect of UV light on the human body. Most of the skin cancer are caused by the UV light. UV light exposure can damage our skin. UV light exposure can weaken our immune system. UV light exposure can damage our eye also, and our skin became leathery and wrinkled.
According to WHO, exposing yourself to the sun or to temperatures higher than 25 degrees centigrade does not prevent nor cure COVID-19. And ultraviolet lamps should not be used to disinfect hands or other area of the skin. Cleaning your hand with alcohol-based hand rub or washing your hand with soap and water are the most effective ways to remove the virus.
If you think this video is very informative to you, please like my video and share also. Thank you.